Hi boys and girls, let's do a little math today. We're going to switch gears for a little while. We'll get back to the rods and numbers and all that stuff very soon, and you're going to see some of that when you're doing your work on happy numbers. But today we're going to talk about two things. We're going to talk about curves. See the curved line on this paper? And we're going to talk about no curves. No curves. See that? That's a straight line. Something that is a straight line has no curves. Let's see. This shape here, is it a curve or no curves? That one is definitely a curve. Look at this. Straight. I know we see this part here. This has a curve on it, but it is straight. Let's try this. What about here? It looks straight that way. This shape. This is an oval. Does the oval have curves or no curves? That has curves. This is a what? Rectangle. Does the rectangle have curves or no curves? No curves. It's all straight lines. Very good. Ooh, this is another rectangle, but it's a thinner one. Curves or no curves? No curves. Straight line. What else can I find? Ooh, this one is a circle. Good. Does a circle have curves or no curves? A circle does have curves. If this is a circle, what do you think this is? It's a half a circle. Yep. Does it have curves or no curves? Oh, I'm seeing somebody say that's a straight line, and it is. But does it have a curve? It does. It has a curve here. So even this has curves. Good for you. What's this one? That's a triangle. Very good. Does a triangle have curves or no curves? No curves. It has 3 straight lines. Very nice. Ooh, wait a minute. Here's a fun one. Do you know what that's called? That's different. This is called a trapezoid. Try saying it. It's a lot of fun. Trapezoid. Does a trapezoid have curves or no curves? No curves. It's all very straight. So, today you have a job to do, and I'm going to show you what it is. In your learning packets or in your math kits, you're going to find, there's Eagle Eye and Lips watching us, a piece of purple paper like this that has been folded in half. And you're also going to find these papers, paper clip to it. I'd like you to do nothing right now. I'd like you to watch me. You can do yours after. The 2 small papers are the ones I showed you. This one, you know what NO is, right? No curves. And they give you a picture. So on this paper, glue stick. That's a hard one. Just make sure it's up just a little. On mine, I'm going to put glue on the back, best I can, and then I'm going to stick it on one side of the purple paper. It says, no curves. I'm going to put it right there. So this side of my paper is for things that have no curves. This one says curves. And look at that. It shows us a curve. So again, glue on the back because we don't want anything to fall off. And I'm going to put it nice and straight. Remember, don't want it upside down. I have to be able to see those lines and those letters. I'm going to put it right there. So this, sometimes you got to put a little extra. There we go. So this side of my purple paper is for things with no curves, and this is for things with curves. Now, you have one more page. See if you can see it. Ooh, let's talk about it. You don't need yours yet. This one here, circle. This one's kind of a different shape. It's a parallelogram, but we don't need to worry about that. You know the name of this one? I don't know if we're seeing this well. Let me fix this just a little. Oh, there we go. This is triangle, heart. Ooh, this one, I don't know what I would call that. It almost, if I turn it, it kind of looks like a raindrop or a teardrop. Ooh, this one is easy. That's right, it's a star. This is an oval. This is a, triangle. This one here looks like it was a circle and it's got a quarter of it cut out. Sometimes like this, it might look like Pac-Man. And what's this one? Square. You don't need to know the names of all of those, but what I want to show you is when you cut these out today, you're going to cut on the dotted lines. So remember, thumbs up, hold it so you can see your thumb. I just want to show you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut right down the middle, and then I'm going to put this paper in a safe spot so that I don't remember where it is. And I'm going to start with the first picture on the top, that funny circle with the piece cut out. I'm just going to cut across like this. Now I have to decide, does my piece have no curves or curves? No curves or curves? Yes, this one definitely has a curve. So I'm going to take my glue stick and again, glue it good so it doesn't fall, get all falling off. Make sure it sticks. Now, when I do my work, especially in math, I like to be neat. So I want to make sure it sticks on there. Oh, here's the next one. I'm going to cut right across. And what's that one? That is a triangle. Does it have no curves or curves? This one has no curves. You're absolutely right. So I'm going to put that one here. Now, it's going to be your job to continue with this, okay? It's going to be your job to see where all the other pictures are going to go. Do we put it on the curved side or the no curve side? I think you can do this, and I think it will be a lot of fun. And when I'm looking around my room, I like to think about things and whether they have curves or no curves. Remember we were talking about 3 letters today? Let's look at those again. I'm going to put it right here. Remember the letter B? Curves or no curves? It has both, doesn't it? No curves, and this is a curve. So this is curves. And what was our other letter? That's right. F, fun. There's my F. Curves or no curves? It has a curve up near the top. This is the curved part. You're right. And our last letter, T, top, T. There it is. Curves or no curves? No curves on the T. You're absolutely right. Look at the letters in your name. Ms. Rudd. M has curves. Well, lowercase, not capital. Lot to think about, right? Yeah. Let's see. If I have a list here of everybody's name. It's funny because you need to think about if it's a capital letter or a lowercase letter. Do they have curves? O, that's a curve. C, curve. T, no curves. O, curve. B, ooh, we did B here, didn't we? There's a curve there. E, lowercase e has a curve. And R, lowercase r has a curve. It's everywhere. If you use your eagle eye, you're going to spot curves and no curves everywhere. Have fun with it today, boys and girls. We'll talk some more tomorrow.